So
Om Sena
can I have one for Shireen?
Yeah, I'll have to Xerox it.
maybe what I'll do is one
You can
of them.
scan it and send.
Huh?
You don't have to then Xerox. You scan.
I will
She's
put it
already
in
sent it,
sequence.
no?
Okay.
No, सुनो. Next time मैं ऐसा करती हूँ sequence में भेजती हूँ.
कोई बात
अच्छा.
नहीं.
तो
Okay,
फिर
yeah,
that
that's
way
a good
then
idea.
we will, you can sit down. We will do couple of them
Can
in
you
the beginning.
email? I don't know from text how to put it.
No, I
ये नहीं
sent
है.
the email.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. You go back to your, इनको भी
I
भेजा
can just
था.
Xerox two more.
I have in the mail, so
Yeah.
we can
Email
print it.
I
I can
resend you.
ये
Photocopy
दूसरा
two
है.
more.
Yeah, she
ये
already
दूसरा है.
sent.
Same ही है.
You have a Xerox at home?
Yeah.
No. Oh, then can you Xerox
You
and give
can
it
print
to us?
twice from your email.
Yeah, वही तो मैंने करा, ये दो
Just
दो आ
print
गया ना.
from there. Two copies you
ठीक
can.
है, I'll just make photocopy अब एक.
Yeah,
Okay, let's start.
yeah.
Om Sahana Vavatu Sahana Bhunatu
Give it to her, Shri.
Sahaviryam Karvavahe
है ना इसके अंदर.
Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahaihi Om
Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Hari Om Shri Guru Pyo Namaha Hari Om Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Deva Sorry, my fault.
Shri Guru Dev Namaha.
Shri Guru Deva Namaha. What's the other one we do? We do one more in the beginning, right?
Om Bhova.
Oh, Om Bhurbhuva.
Om Bhurvasvaha
Tatsavaranyam
Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat.
Shanti.
This talk we're having on Sunday, you know, if you are free, you can come. There's a girl from India. She's going to teach us how to remove emotional blockages.
Okay.
And even spouses are welcome. So if your husband or son wants to come,
Yeah.
you can. Oh my God. Okay then. Leave. Okay, so let me talk again then, because I told my one friend to come here at 3:30. Where will you be at 3:30? Okay, I will. I'll try to connect with you.
Om Bhadram Pashye Makshbhirya Chatraha Bhadram Pashye Makshbhirya Chatraha
I'll call you again. I'm in a meeting.
Sushtuvagam Sastanubhi
You just text me this, the answer first.
Sire Range Sushtuvagam Sastanubhi Vyashema Devahitam Yadayuhu Vyashema Devahitam Yadayuhu Swastina Indro Vridashavaha Swastina Indro Vridashavaha Swastina Pusha Vishwavedaha Swastina Pusha Vishwavedaha Swastina Staksharyo Arishtanemihi Swastina Staksharyo Arishtanemihi Swastino Bruhaspatir Dhadatu Swastino Bruhaspatir Dhadatu
Swastina nas taraksayo. Nas taraksayo.
स्वस्ति नक्स्ताक्षर्यो अब जितनी बार हम ज्यादा करेंगे उतना आएगा आ जाएगा हमें ओम शांति 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 Okay, Sneha, you can read that.
What is auspicious? O worshipful ones, may we with our eyes see always what is auspicious. May we live the entire length of our allotted life, hale and hearty, offering our praises unto thee. May Indra, the ancient and the famous, O Sun, the Sun, the all-knowing, the Lord of swift motion, who saves us from all harms, and Brahaspati, who protects the spiritual wealth in us, bless us with the intellectual strength to understand the scriptures and the heroic heart to follow the teachings. Om peace be, peace be, peace.
This last part is really important. Intellectual strength to understand the scriptures and the heroic heart to follow.
The teachings.
Yeah.
Yes, because
Heroic.
even first we have to understand and then follow. Because if you misunderstand, that's also a big problem.
Yeah. That's
So-
why I tell you don't read alone.
Right, right. We did, just to summarize, last time we did about sense control, the two verses that we do from Gita, and then we also talked about that how we have to have a tranquil mind, and then whatever is coming on our way, don't hate it or love it. Constant, this way mein nahi jao. And then that will give us peace, that will give us happiness, and that will make our buddhi steady. So that we can study this. So, and then the next one he says,
Oh, this is still not finished. Soman.
स्थित प्रज्ञ उन्होंने पूरे गीता में कई चैप्टर्स में अलग अलग बार, because it's very important, right,
Yeah.
for us to know what is our goal. Otherwise we keep reading and just okay. So now he says, wait, which one was that? Yeah, so next one was 66, and the Sanskrit part is Nasti buddhira yuktasya na cha yuktasya bhavana na cha bhavayatah shantir ashantasya kutah sukham. So he's saying, the English translation is, there is no knowledge of the self to the unsteady, and to the unsteady no meditation, and to the unmeditated no peace. To the peaceless, how can there be happiness? So Krishna Bhagavan is saying that. So basically he's saying that quietude of mind is the most important thing for even studying or trying to contemplate what life is all about. Because if we are going to be constantly in the sway of sansar, we won't have time. Neither will have time, nor we are going to have inclination, nor will be able to do it. So even if we want to study the scriptures and find out what the truth is, we have to practice this, so that we have free time and we can contemplate upon it. Imagine if you are bogged down all the time with our sansaric thing, we'll never think about these things.
You're living in body consciousness the whole
Yeah,
time.
right. So you have to kind of rise above it. And so that was the main thing that in the commentary he mentioned, Swamiji, that, you know, we can all relate to that. That if we are too bogged down, we won't be able to come for this class also, if we are constantly chasing the world, you know. So, and the other thing he's saying is, that how do we get happiness? If we try to search for happiness, it's not going to get in the world. But if we know that somewhere deep in our psyche, if we know that this world is constantly changing and there is something beyond that. And like that Murjani's thing, that her most powerful statement in that TED talk, whoever saw it, was, you are much beyond what you see. And then she gave that flashlight. Aapne dekha wo TED talk ka? She gave that flashlight wala example, that right now your flashlight is on such a small thing.
Yeah, awareness.
But imagine that you know, and then you have seen everything. She has seen everything and come back, and
you
she's
can be in many places at different times.
yes.
Yeah.
No,
So
but to me she was describing Virat room.
exactly, she was
The
describing
warehouse
that.
had everything in it, and it was
Exactly, she was
lighted.
She could see the living person, she could see her dead.
and she could feel what they was thinking also. So she was in their mind also. She could immediately understand that
And
what
brother was coming from India, so in the plane also she met him.
no,
also.
what that was she saw. But what
Ah.
I was trying to get at, which relates to this, is at the subtle level, she knew what her father was trying to tell her, even though there was no conversation.
Yeah.
That's point.
Yeah,
of
there is
view.
a communication.
Actually,
Yeah,
Yeah,
she was aware
It's a
of
thought
the
process, yeah.
thoughts.
Actually, it was that she had risen completely over the body and she was in oneness. That वो हम लोग बोलते ना
Yeah.
कि
Right.
you were in
merged
It is
that
a proof.
realization, तो उसको
she
वो
merged with Brahma.
experience हो गया.
Otherwise she was.
Yeah, she was with the universe.
So
And
what
the
is that
star.
telling us over here? We have
That is
not.
our real root.
Yeah, but these people like Murjani and other saints and sages and all that, her experience was that she can come back and tell us about it, right? For us, we are just believing in them. We have shraddha in whatever they are saying, so we say okay. But they are the proof
Experienced it,
that it
yeah.
happens, right?
I'll
Even
send you
like
another one is Jill Bolt Taylor. She had the same experience. I'll
many
send
people
you.
have had that
I
experience.
have seen one more like that where she said when she looked at her body, she saw there was no end, you know.
Yeah, they're like endless,
Yeah,
infinite,
endless,
infinite.
She was connected to everything.
So
Yeah.
all of
Like,
us are
this is
sitting
what
here because
Sadhguru
we
also
believe in
says
it.
throughout in all
I'm
his
sorry?
talks. Sadhguru also in all his talks, he's talking about this thing that you are beyond.
Beyond.
And we don't
Exactly.
use the techniques
Yes.
to, you know, all these are techniques to reach
See that
and
we
to
are the
get a
kind of
glimpse.
people who, when we hear them, we have so much Shraddha towards them that we believe. There are people out there, somebody can give them proof and they won't believe it. They say, no, it doesn't happen. So then you have to leave
Yeah.
them alone. You know, and even for Murjani, because I read her book, she actually, in that book, she gave the proof of the doctor's reports. Because some of the doctors are so skeptical, they say, nahi, nahi, ye to aisi bana rahi hai. So she gave actually the proof that her cancer went away in couple of weeks, and in 5 days she had 70% regression of her tumors. 5 days.
See,
Lemon
Huh.
I also had, every time I told somebody this, because it's part of my blogs I wrote when she came out, nobody believed. But finally, TED does so much research. So if
Amazing.
you are in TED Talk,
That means
you
it is
got
authenticated.
That
Yeah.
means it is authenticated
Yeah.
and you have made it.
Yes, yes.
Plus, you have to summarize it so well for TED
Yeah.
Talk
Yeah.
that rather than books and interviews she gave.
And now she's been doing so many talks, so she knows how to do it.
Also, the
She's
way
invited.
she explained.
Murjani.
Many TV interviews.
Yeah, she has done many. Last
yeah.
10 years, that's what she's
Yeah.
been
I
doing.
have so many. If you go on YouTube,
She
you
was
see.
always like that? or-
No,
No.
10 years ago
10
she had
years
that
ago.
experience.
Oh, after that she
2006,
got
yeah.
involved.
2001.
So I have known this for 10 years, but
became
this
sort of
time I
famous.
TED Talk I saw.
Very famous after that. So here, there are two things that I wanted to bring up. So what Swamiji actually says, that if this is like a sansar is like a big huge ocean, okay? And he's saying if we want to go across this ocean smilingly, happily, we have to know that there is something beyond. That's the only thing gonna take us across safely, happily. We can go crying and like a lot of, but if you want to be smilingly go in your life, that's what you need to know. And he said this is like an example he gave. A dancer cannot dance until there is a drummer behind, giving that tal. So he's saying that tal is like knowing, that there's something beyond. Constant awareness of that will take you across. I think it's such a beautiful
Also,
example.
once you reach that stage to know that there is something beyond, that is the same way in Brahma Sutra they describe jigyasu. Like, first stage is become jigyasu, which
Yeah.
means there
Inquiring.
is more to it than what I see.
Yeah.
That is the main point.
या तभी तो एक कहावत भी है हिंदी में कि ढूंढने से तो भगवान भी मिल जाता है तो फिर बाकी चीज क्या है you have to search. You have to be a seeker.
See, the other thing I wanted to make sure that you follow. Remember, I mentioned Mother Arbindo's disciple.
Yeah.
She had the same consciousness connected to others. So she said, somebody is having an operation, she could feel it somewhere else. So same way she says, wherever she concentrates, she can like know what's going on.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
it's like the
You
spread
can feel the
consciousness.
pain, yeah.
Yeah.
So
Empathy.
that is what the gurus they
That's
can
what they
feel
can feel.
also.
That's why they have empathy
So
towards
gurus are
everybody.
peace, they meditate and all that. They are silent. They don't talk all the time. All this garbage,
But the Castellina, that thing he was saying about difference
So
between
it's
empathy
like
and
a
compassion.
radio
that is very
tuning,
important.
tuning in radio.
You need to have empathy rather than compassion.
different frequencies.
Empathy, yeah.
Mm.
So first thing I
I
like
al-
is you should love yourself.
Yeah.
If you are unhappy, then you cannot help others.
Yeah.
So that's
Yeah,
the way.
firstly we have to find out happiness within your own grasp, then you can give it to other people.
Yeah,
Exactly.
It's very important.
So that was one verse, and we have to do two verses. The second verse is he
You know, the
says,
Lisa Hayward, she used to say, stand in front of the mirror and say, I love myself. Every day.
But that is,
That.
in the physical body. But when you're doing it, it's not in the physical body. Then कोई चीज तुम्हारे सामने आएगी.
Not for beautifulness, but you're inside your soul, you love
No,
yourself.
but you can, the minute you see your body, the more you become in body consciousness.
No. You don't have to
No,
do
but that
it.
is part one. But you have to start from your body.
no, I know what you are saying, that there, even if you're looking at your body, if you are aware of there is something beyond,
Yeah.
see अपनी आंखें तो body देखेंगी ना, मगर हमको अंदर ये
But when she
समझना
said
होगा,
अंदर से वो
समझना
फीलिंग
होगा.
होना चाहिए. अगर अंदर से फीलिंग
Then I
आएगी ना,
beautiful, yeah.
you can never
You don't
say a
even need
rude
a
word to
mirror.
anybody. You can never do anybody any harm.
Yeah, exactly. So
If
you
you
have
really love
to, ये
yourself.
समझने की बात है, देखने
Yeah.
की बात
You will
नहीं.
never be able to. Even if you try, you will not succeed
Right.
in harming anybody.
See, another connection I saw, which was from last time, when we were reading Shankaracharya's Guru's commentary, that for the Jagrat world resides in your right eye.
Yeah, correct.
So same way, when I read the Carlos Castaneda and Don Juan, he says there's a band of light coming from above on your right side,
Okay.
on 18 inches from your body, and your death is on your left side. And then he sees these fibers going and connecting everybody. So essentially, I was thinking of making a diagram of
Yeah, he
what
said
we
it's like an
see.
oval shape. The man's
Yeah.
body, electronically, like
Yeah.
it's
And
like an
so-
oval shape.
And they also believe that the universe
And the
is like
hands
oval
and
shape.
legs are, hands and legs are jetting out. That's what he said.
Right.
And Om का भी मैंने सुना है कि
हाँ.
you know when they do that sound का thing and it creates a pattern, when they do Om sound, it comes into oval shape. That's
Everything
the
is
only
spiral.
sound. Everything else becomes round,
Right.
but the Om sound becomes oval. Yeah. All these research they have done it.
They are saying everywhere, the waves, the currents, they're all spiral. Everything in the universe is spiral. And
That's
that's the Om sound also, that's spiral.
Yeah. Even the shape is all
The
round.
egg is oval
The
shape.
spiral.
I'm looking at the eggs.
Yeah.
Okay, shall I go to the
That's
next
also life.
Must be some-
verse over here?
Okay.
Krishna Bhagwan's words. So next verse is Indriyanam hi charatam yan manonu vidhiyate tadasya harati pragnam vayurnama vibhavasi. So then the
What was the
translation.
first one that we did? That means he's used to be conscious of everything.
Do you want me to
Ah.
summarize? It's
Ah.
basically that we have to know, we have to make our mind very quiet to be happy, because in that quiet mind we will do the inquiry, and then if we know that something beyond us is what our real nature is, then we can sail through this sansar happily. And
So
and it's-
basically, we have to practice to be quiet.
yes, and quietude can come with that knowledge. Otherwise if we are in body conscious and just
Yeah.
this world, then we're going to be constantly disturbed. So next verse, the translation is, for the mind which follows in the wake of the wandering senses carried away his discrimination as the wind carries away boat on the waters. So basically it's saying that what happens if you just get carried away by your senses, then your life is like a boat in an ocean where the boatman is dead. So it's been, वो boat थपेड़े खा रही है. It has no direction, no nothing. It's been
So it's
tossed
not-
around like a crazy thing and get destroyed. So if we don't have that quiet mind and that center and connected with the higher, our life will be like, constant. And we see crying, laughing, the whole time, just wasted your life in the whole thing, never inquired, who am I, where am I coming from, so that's what he's saying. So the last part, he says that the senses are to be controlled if a man is to live a better and more purposeful life, designed and planned for enduring success. So this is the two verses of
Senses have to be controlled so that energy is used